The NBA is in town, so I thought, what better way to welcome them to the UK than to give them a little lesson on how to cook the most amazing steak. So we're here at the Savoy Hotel in London, and I've set up Shawn and Caron with two of the finest chefs in the business. Little do they know that I'm going to be giving them some feedback. I've got someone to help me today, and this guy knows how to cook, trust me. My dear friend, Jamie Redknapp.
I've got no clue how to cook.
You ready?
I'll try my best for you, mate.
So you and I have to be very careful because we're 6'1", 6'2".
Yeah.
They're into the sevens.
Yeah, I've not really got your back in this one, to be honest, because they are big.
They are big. Here we go.
How are we doing, guys?
I'm good.
Sure. Wow, sure, I'm loving that. You got that down,
I'm trying, baby. It's a lot of work.
Hey, whisk, whisk, whisk.
Yeah.
Harder than basketball.
Oh, it is.
Hey, listen to the chat more of the whisking, I think.
Yeah. Hey, see? Hey, you think it's gonna be this hard making grenades?
So now we need to get the steak on.
Okay.
And then do you want to season it with a little bit of salt?
It was like
There you go, there you go.
What's going on, Ben?
How are you, mate?
How's he doing?
He's doing all right,
He's
actually.
looking the part. There's a lot of brawn over there. There's a bit more finesse here, I would say. There's more finesse.
That's what we're all about. Hey, let's get it on.
oh, let's go, baby. Oh.
You don't want to rush. You don't want to rush.
This is style right here, by the way.
It's a process.
That's a little sizzle going on there.
Don't be scared of it now. It won't bite you.
The judge, you don't want to know how aggressive he is, this guy. He is fierce. Who's the toughest competitor you played against?
Kobe Bryant. Got a little Kobe in him?
He's got a lot of Kobe in him.
All the butter, don't be shy.
Jockey, you confident over there?
No.
No? Come on.
Super confident.
Good man.
Face it. Face it.
Try and get it in the pan, not in the...
Ooh, my hands burn. This is hot. We done over here.
We're both cooked.
Ooh, wee.
Yes.
Look at that.
Okay, guys, so now we're in the restaurant. 130 years old, this place. I mean, it's seen some famous faces along the way. Got any ideas, guys, who the guest judge could be?
Elton John.
No, good one.
Austin Powers.
The surprise is over, guys. Here he is. Guys, Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, wow.
How are you, Captain? You good?
Yes, sir. Wow.
How are you? Good to see you. Well,
I would never thought that. That was good. That was pretty good.
first of all, I could smell those steaks 2 miles down the road. Now, I've just flown all the way in from the US to taste these steaks.
Oh, my.
We grew up with the love of great steaks because both our mums are great cooks, and
I love how you say mums. I love mums.
who's got the best steak?
Me. Come on now. We both champions, so we both. Let's get it.
You ready for Thursday?
Oh, I'm excited. Let me see what they're gonna do.
I was in Miami last week and I watched the Wizards play against the Heat.
They're playing good right now.
They are. Got some good young players.
Right, visually, that is not overcooked. Just look at that. It looks appetizing,
Beautiful,
right?
It does. Yeah.
The moment of truth, because I'm going to go right into the middle, and it should be nice and caramelized on the outside and pink in the middle. And that is pink in the middle.
Beautiful.
Use olive oil.
Yeah.
You finish in butter.
Yep.
Shallots, garlic, thyme.
Were you in the kitchen with us just now? I'm like, oh my God.
He's happy. Look at that face.
That's a great start. Yeah, right there. That's the three-pointer. Jamie. Oh Lord.
Yeah, perfect.
Pink.
I like it. Oh Lord.
It's not overdone, and it is incredibly juicy. Please help yourself.
Is that allowed?
Would you like some bread? Steak sandwich? Give us 30 seconds, please, while we decide on which one's
I don't know whose that is, but I just ate it.
steak.
That's your steak. That's my steak.
Agreed?
Yeah.
Yeah, happy with that?
Yeah.
We do have a winner. Because there is one steak that is slightly better seasoned all around. And the outstanding steak, by a narrow margin, this one.
We found love in the hopeless place.
Well done,
Respect.
Congrats, bud.
Man, get away from me.
Congrats. You guys have brought huge excitement to the UK, and the audience now is just getting bigger and bigger.
The game is just taking off globally, you know, and I've been fortunate enough to travel to multiple countries, and when I say the fan base for the NBA is amazing.
I think a lot of people are going to be excited about the pace of the game. And these two young teams, you talk about Bradley Beal, when you talk about Tim Hardaway and these guys with the New York Knicks, this is going to be a fun game to watch. Youth that's on the rise with no ceilings.
Yeah. The game's back in the US. It's totally dominated by the home side supporting. Thursday night's game is going to be
Neutral.
Neutral, yeah. How do you think that'll have an effect on the players?
So you have the fan base that's excited to see NBA basketball on the soil, so everybody will be cheering and just enjoying it. But obviously, you're going to cheer a little harder for the team that's in front, that's winning.
But I think, as Gordon says, it's become so big now, especially in the football community. So you'll see a lot of famous soccer players in and around the arena.
It's exciting news for the UK, so long may that continue.
Yes.
But if not, they can always be chefs like you guys.